Hello. All right, so just a reminder, we have our three types of intersections. We did this when we did solving equations, but just a reminder, one solution, no solution, infinitely many. Reminder from last week, plot B on the y-intercept on the y-axis. Then use your slope to create other points. Keep plotting until you run out of room. Connect the points plotted to form a line. Yeah. Okay, to make a line. So what I want to look at here is two quick examples. So notice how these two eventually down here would intersect. So that would have been one solution. What would you call this one? No solution. Okay, so that's just a quick visual, and then we're going to get right down to it. So looking at here, one solution, no solution, infinitely many. Look at the slopes, look at the y-intercepts. What do you notice? What do you notice? So one solution, slopes are different. What about no solution? Slopes are the same. But y-intercept is different. And then what about infinitely many solution? Y-intercept and slope are the same. Okay. All right, so I want to just get right into it because we are doing two parts of this. So I'm going to skip number one for a moment. No, I'm not. I'm just kidding. I want you to look at the second equation. I want you to pick out M and B for me. Should have gotten -5/2. And B should have been 4. So we should have plotted our 4 here, gone down because it's negative, over 2. Can't get any more points on that graph. So then we connect these 2 points. Remember, making sure to go all the way through our graph as far as we can go. And then I know that a lot of people were very smart working with each other and asking me about, well, what if I see this, right? What is my slope? Well, our slope is 0 and our B is that -1. Okay. So our B is -1, and then if you have a slope of 0, remember this is 0 fun. You just take your line and you make it horizontal through that number. Okay? And oh, I'm so sorry. That's -1. Gosh darn it. I was like, wait, why are they not intersecting at a nice number? My bad. I'm sure you're yelling at me. So sorry. Okay, so here, and then I'll just make it in pink since I messed up. My bad. All right. And then you can easily see where that intersection is. And when we write that intersection, if it's a coordinate pair, it needs to be written as a coordinate pair. Okay. I want you to try number 2, picking out M and B, plotting it, see how you do. If you at least try to see if you can graph them. If you can do the point 2, awesome. Welcome back. So we had -1/2 and -2, and then we had -3/2 and +2. So then we have -2 plotted, down 1/2, down 1/2. Connect the points. And then do the same thing on the other one. We have +2 and then down 3/2. down 3 over 2. And again, these are kind of nice that they're intersecting at really nice, like within our graphs we're doing and all that jazz. Obviously, we will not always get this lucky, but for the first couple, it's nice to get lucky. So then we have our coordinate pair, and you should have gotten 4, -4. You should have gotten 4, -4. Great job. Okay. I want you to try number 5 and then come back to me. Try number 5.